How do you write a polynomial in standard form? Imagine you have a messy pile of algebraic terms and you want to organize them so they make sense. The best way to do this is by writing the polynomial in standard form. This means arranging all the terms so that the powers of the variable go from the largest to the smallest. Think of it like sorting books on a shelf from biggest to smallest. First, look at each term and find its degree, which is the exponent of the variable. For example, in the term for x cubed, the degree is 3. Next, gather all the like terms, those with the same degree, and combine their coefficients by adding or subtracting. This step simplifies the polynomial and makes it easier to work with. Once you have combined like terms, start writing the polynomial from the highest degree term first. Follow that with the next highest degree, and keep going until you reach the constant term, which has no variable and a degree of 0. Remember to keep the signs plus or minus with each term so you know whether to add or subtract. For example, if you have the polynomial 3 plus 2x squared plus 5x, you want to rearrange it as 2x squared plus 5x plus 3. The term with the highest degree, which is 2x squared, comes first. Then the 5x term, and finally the constant 3. Knowing the degree of the polynomial helps you understand its shape and behavior. The leading term is the first term in the standard form, and its coefficient is called the leading coefficient. These parts are important because they tell you about the polynomial's highest power and how it behaves when the variable gets very large or very small. Writing a polynomial in standard form is a simple way to organize your work. It makes adding, subtracting, and multiplying polynomials much easier. Plus, it helps you see the degree and leading coefficient at a glance. Just remember to order the terms from the highest to the lowest power, combine like terms, and keep the signs with each term. This method keeps your algebra neat and makes solving problems more straightforward.